Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure perfect domain for garden and home business on your online store on Shopify. So first of all, here we are on the home page. So you have to follow this setup, guys. So you have first to add your first product. Okay, now you can add the title, you can add the description, and you can upload a new media. You can customize the pricing options, the inventory and the quantity and the shipping. After this you can save this and go to the next step. Now you can customize your online store, choose a theme and add your logo, colors and image to reflect your brand. Okay, so as you see now you can select your favorite theme and just click here and it's gonna be customized. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. So here you have to name your store. Okay, for example, like this for you have to add something for the garden and the home business, and here you have to add your store phone. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next step. So here you have to set your shipping rates, choose where you ship and how much you charge, so your customers can see their shipping costs at checkout. And after this you have to set up payment provider, choose the payment provider to start accepting payments. So the last one, place test order, make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. So that's it. So before you launch and publish your website or your online store, you have to fix these settings right here. So first, we have here the store details. So you have to manage it, your profile, the billing information, the store currency, the time zone and the units of measurements. Here we have the plan. You can choose a plan, so you can choose the basic or Shopify or advanced. So all of them you have just $1 for your first month to pay. Here we have more ways to sell. So this starter in the retail, the same thing, $1 for your first month. And the last one, the third one here, you have to pay more for 30 years. So that's it. Now let's go back. Here we have the billing. So as you see here, you can add the payments method. Now you can enter your information, the card number, the expires, the billing address, country and the region, the first name, the last name, the address. So after this, add the credit card. Here you have the billing currency. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next step. So here we have the users and permissions. You can manage what users can see or do in your store. Also here, compare plans. You can select a subscription plan that include additional staff accounts and control who can do what. So that's it. Now let's move on to the payments. So as you see here, you can choose a providers that enable you to accept payment method at a rate set by a third party. An additional fee will apply to your new orders once you select a plan. You can choose a provider and select one of those, and you can contact provider. So that's it. Now let's move on to the checkout section. So as you see here, you can manage the customer contact method. So as you see, you can select what contact method customers use to check out. Also here you can manage the customer information, the company name and the address line and the shipping address, the marketing options, the shipping, the address collection preferences, the order processing. Here you can add the additional scripts. So after this you can save this place, you can save it from here. So that's it. Here you have the customer account, so here you can manage the domain and customize the themes. Now let's move on. So today we're gonna talk about garden and home business. So you have to buy a new domain and search for your domain here. Okay, so now you can buy a domain and pay $15 for a year, or you can choose other results like these. So that's it. Now you can now I have to go to billing to fix it, so I didn't add a valid payment method, so you can go and do what I said. So that's it. Now let's move on to the customer events. So here you can add the custom pixel name. Here you have brand. So as you see, you can add the logo, add the default logo, or add square logo. You can add here primary color or the secondary color. Okay, here you can add the cover image, brand statements or tagline often used along with your logo. And also here you can add short description of your business, often used in bios and listings. And the last one here, the social links for your business, often used in the theme footer. You can choose whatever you like, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move to the notifications. So as you see here, you can manage the customer notifications, the staff notification, the fulfillment request notification, or the webhooks. Here you can add a new language. You can select your language and add it. Here you have the customer privacy. So like you see here, you can customize the privacy policy and the cookie banner, the data sales opt-out page. You can also manage the marketing settings. Here you can manage the custom data, add a custom piece of data to a specific part of your store. So that's it. So after you fix these settings right here and customize the themes and follow this setup guide, now all you have to do is launch your store and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.